Hey guys, so with the launch of Redmi K40 series, OnePlus is feeling heat for sure. They have to launch the OnePlus 9 series ASAP and it is officially coming in March. See, we don't have any specific date right now, but OnePlus gave an official confirmation that OnePlus 9 series is on its way. OnePlus have officially listed these devices' web pages confirming us the new naming scheme. So first we have the mighty Oneplus 9Pro, which is of course going against the S21 Ultra, the Xiaomi Mi 11, the main flagship from OnePlus with Hasselblad branding on top. So it surely is something big. Then comes the Oneplus 9, which will compete against the Galaxy S21. The Redmi K40 Pro will feature 888 flagship CPU and decent camera with a flat 120Hz display. One of you guys can get one for free cause I am giving away brand new Oneplus 9 after its launch, so make sure to subscribe and enter claim link to participate. Finally, the most anticipated OnePlus 9R. It sounds similar to the iPhone XR. This device is coming with Snapdragon 875G CPU, and OnePlus already gave an official confirmation that yes, we are using 870 CPU in our future flagships, and 9IC1 with same CPU we saw in the Redmi K40 and Motorola Edges. Some other specifications we may see includes flat 90Hz AMOLED display, 48MP camera, and 65 watts of fast charging. See, it may not feature as good specifications as Redmi K40, but the pricing is gonna be aggressive in India and China. Reason behind this is OnePlus got manufacturing units in India and China, and Xiaomi on the other hand will import K40 from China, so it is surely gonna cost them a lot. Xiaomi got only one option to lower the price, they have to launch it after 3-4 months just like they always do. So when demand will be less, components will cost low, price will eventually drop. And that's how it works for Xiaomi. So that is the reason why OnePlus 9 are especially important in India and China. No information of the price as of now, but I am expecting it somewhere between 27,000 to 23,000 INR, maybe lower. Yes, things may change depending on the specifications. So the official pages are now live and the trailer is coming on soon. Some information on the next OnePlus launch is likely to wait. It is not coming in March. Next phase, OnePlus will launch it after the OnePlus 9 series. So please plus a watch coming next month. Some news coming in from OnePlus co-founder. Now the founder of Nothing, he has acquired Essential Brand and Teenage Engineering. That is the huge shocking news cause this means they'll surely launch a smartphone in near future. The Essential PH1 was known for its stock interface, regular security patches, and not to mention the innovative add-on which you can attach and detach from your phone. They went down cause of some huge issues which I don't wanna talk about, but yeah, these two mean they'll work on a smartphone really soon. Teenage Engineering is a designer team, so my guess is Nothing will first launch some audio products and then they'll move to a phone later this year. Whatever is the case, I'll let you know for sure. Like,